This video is dedicated to help you in getting rid of the browser notifications and totally fake human verification alerts that are related to the site ad4unews.com. Ad4unews.com is a new malicious website. It attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers too. But mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. This website, ad4unews.com, tells you to click on this special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. In reality, it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow, and if people do that, their browser is hijacked and it gets infected with numerous ads that would be displayed in the form of push notifications. Therefore, if you have clicked on that allow button, surely it was a mistake that needs to be fixed. So go to the menu settings, select privacy and security in the left part of the settings window. This is where you need to find that malicious site, ad4unews.com, and remove it from the list. So go to settings, select privacy and security. When you finally get to privacy and security, you will need to go to site settings. Then scroll down to the special permissions area and click on notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find this malicious one, make sure you remove it from the list. We also recommend researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner through this official website, combocleaner.com, install the program, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.